Hi friends, welcome to Locust Street Cottage. Today we're going to talk about how to catch your escaped bunny. Let's go! I just happen to have an escaped bunny right now because Quinn absolutely wants to be with his ladies. Quinn, what are you doing in the girls' yard? Yep. Naughty. Oh, so handsome. We see you, Quinn. There are two ways to catch a bunny that has gotten out. We could establish a perimeter. I mean, we've got this movable fence here, so we just make the space smaller and chase him around till we catch him. Hopefully you've been spending time with your bunny so that he thinks that you are a friend. This is one reason I do bunny breakfast every night. My bunnies associate me with good food. Since I have to move this fence anyway, because it's clearly not keeping anybody in or out, thanks Quinn, I think I will establish a perimeter first. So the space that Quinn has in there is considerably smaller, maybe like a fifth or a sixth of what he had running around before. That'll make it easier to catch him if I have to, but I don't think I'll have to. Here's Quinn living his best life, basking in the adoring gaze of his ladies. Let's see what he thinks about being bribed with some yummy food. Hey Quinn, it's bunny breakfast! Quinn! Oh, the ladies want bunny breakfast. They know what's up. Quinn! Quinn, I have peppers. Here he comes. Quinn! Quinn! I have bunny breakfast. You know you love the bunny breakfast. Oh, come on, big boy. Voila! Oh, voila! Stop having a fit. Quinn, stop. Oh my gosh, you spazzed. Okay, back to your cage. So the girls think I'm crazy. Mr. Quinn, you have to be nice. Don't give me so much grief. I know you have to stay there for a minute. I'll fix the fence and you can come out tomorrow. I know, it's sad. Yes, you get your peppers and raisins. You're a good bunny. For anybody that's wondering, Flower is doing great. He never tries to escape. And also, the reason why Quinn was able to get out is the fence was not on. I had some difficulty figuring out the charging situation, and so I had left it off and I saw Quinn messing around with it. What are you doing, cute boy? So when I saw Quinn get out of his tall net and then hop over the small net to get into the girls' play yard, I just came out and put the girls away and knew that I could deal with it a little bit later the way you just saw. So he is safely in his hutch, and Flower will be going away a little bit soon, a little bit later in the evening. I'll put him away, and then tomorrow I have to rearrange the fences completely so they can both hook to the charger, because the way I had them hooked up it wasn't working. But I knew Quinn wouldn't go anywhere because he loves his ladies. And Flower doesn't even try to get out because he's just the best behaved bunny. Look at that cute bunny. Well, if you like what you saw today, you can subscribe right there and you can watch more bunny videos right there. Bye!